Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hey, my name is Mmakgamane, and the name of my company is Agate for Onyx. The reason why I started this business is because I have love for jewelry. I have love for accessories. So I wanted to check which business I can do. So I thought, what if I do what I love? So then I chose to do the business. I sell earrings, I sell anklets, brooches, and I sell necklaces and bracelets. So where you can find me is on my cell number 073 5636 185. I'm on WhatsApp most of the time. Hey, my name is Mmakgamane, and I am a township entrepreneur.